In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Canva. To get started, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where you begin any new project in Canva, and it gives you access to different design types based on what you want to make. Once you're in, use the search bar to look for logo and choose the format that fits your needs. Canva usually offers logo-specific sizes that are already optimized, which makes the setup much easier and saves time. After that, you can decide whether you want to use a template or begin with a blank design. If you're new to logo design, starting with a template can be very helpful because it gives you a strong visual foundation. You can browse through the available styles and pick one that feels close to the kind of brand identity you want. If you already have a clear vision, then a blank design gives you complete creative freedom. Next, start adding the core parts of your logo. This includes your brand name, an icon if you want one, and the colors that represent your brand. Your brand name should be easy to read and positioned clearly, since it's often the most important part of the design. If you choose to include an icon, try to keep it simple and relevant so the logo remains clean and recognizable. When selecting colors, stay consistent with your brand style. A good logo usually works best when it doesn't use too many colors at once. Once those main elements are in place, begin customizing the fonts, layout, and other design elements so everything matches your brand style. This is the stage where the logo really starts to feel unique. Try adjusting the spacing, resizing elements, and testing different font combinations until the design feels balanced. Keep readability in mind, especially if the logo will be used in small sizes on social media profiles, business cards, or websites. A simple, polished design is often more effective than something overly complicated. When you're happy with the final result, click Download to save your logo. PNG is usually the recommended format because it offers good image quality and works well for most digital uses. Before downloading, it's a good idea to give the design one last look to make sure everything is aligned and visually consistent, and that's it. By following this process in Canva, you can create a logo that looks clean, professional, and aligned with your brand.